Hello, welcome to Cogency. Let's start. First, we need to create a custom form that will be used to gather the client information. Let's go to the custom form section. To speed things along, I already created the basic project info custom form that I will be using for this demo. Let's click inside and see what the form contains. As you can see, we have 3 questions we want to ask the client. Please provide project details. Please upload files or screenshots. What is the project budget? Okay, now that we have the custom form ready, let's go to the Pages section to see where this custom form will be included. Again, to save time, I went ahead and created the New Client Registration page already. Let's click inside. Alright, we have some content in there already, but no custom form yet. Let's go ahead and add it real quick. Let's open the Editor toolbar and select Custom Form from the menu. Done. The custom form template is added. But now we need to link this template to an actual custom form that we created in the previous step. Let's click on the Link Custom Form link and select Basic Project Info from the drop-down. Okay, this looks much better already. Looks like the form is even fully rendered inside our page. As you can see, I have already preset the page theme to Memento, but you can pick any theme you'd like. Let's click LN Preview and see what our page will look like to the client. Wow, the page looks fantastic. Let's close the preview. Now we are at our last step, and that is to create an automation that will be responsible for creating a new card inside our board anytime the custom form is submitted. Let's go to the automation section. No automations yet. That is okay. Let's create one. Let's call it New Clients. Okay, the automation is created. Now we need to specify the condition that must occur for the automation to run. The condition is custom form is submitted. We also need to link that condition to a specific custom form. We would not want any custom form to trigger the automation. Okay, let's select Basic Project Info from the drop-down. Excellent. The condition, or what we call it the trigger, is set. It is time to specify what actions to be run once the trigger is activated. Let's go ahead and click on the Add Action button and pick Create Card. Just like what we did for the trigger, we need to link the action to a specific item or module in our application. In this case, the action was Create Card, so we need to link it to a specific column in a board. Real quick, before doing that, let's go to our board section to check what column we want to have the card be created in. We already have the Client Acquisition board. When clicked inside, we can see the New Clients column. That is the column we would want our cards to be created in. Okay, now that we checked that, let's go back to Automations, to our New Clients automation that we just created. Now we can confidently specify the New Clients column. Done. Now what? Well, now we can specify how the new card should get formatted. Since each card has a card title and a card description, we can configure what information gets displayed. To help us in the process, we have placeholders that can provide specific data mappings. Let's add the username placeholder to the card title. That will assure that each card will contain the name of the person who submitted the custom form. We can even customize it a little more by adding client in front of it. Now, the card description. Let's make it a bit prettier. Okay, all done. All we have left is to make the automation active. Done. Now, let's observe our newly created automation in action. Let's go to our New Client Registration page and copy-paste the page's public URL to another incognito browser. That will assure our test is as realistic as possible. Okay, we have the page loaded. Note, the page is what the clients will see when they come to fill it out. Alright, everything seems to be there. Oh, before we submit the form, let's open our board to observe how the card will appear in the column in real time. Okay, ready? Let's submit the form. And make sure you watch the column to see the card appear. Oh, we need to register. Done. Watch the column. Boom. We got the card. Title is Client Jack Morse. Description is Source Page. That is precisely what we had specified when building the automation. Fantastic! Now we can sit back and only monitor the board for any new submissions. One more thing before I let you go. The reason the card appeared at the top of the stack is because I had set a column trigger on this column. Check it out. That reads, when a card is added to column new clients, then run move to top action. Pretty cool, right? Let's check out the card to make sure it is what we would expect. Title, description. Even the custom form is tied to the card. Okay, now we are truly done. Thank you for watching.